All right, let's look at the concept of neutral axis, compression and tension zone under RCC, reinforced cement concrete. All right, above is a simple supported uh, cement concrete beam, not reinforced, because you can see we don't have any reinforcing material here. It is just cement concrete. All right, simple supported cement concrete beam that is loaded with a what? A uniformly distributed load. All right, now when this beam is loaded, is going to undergo some what? Deformation, where the whereby the top layer or the top region, you understand, of this beam is going to undergo some certain deformation, and the bottom part too will also undergo some certain deformation. And if you look at this carefully, you are going to notice that the bottom part undergoes somewhat more elongation than the top part. Do you understand? So it shows that the top part of this our beam is subjected to what? Comprehensive stresses, while the bottom part is subjected to what? Tensile stresses. Is that clear? So let's now go into the neutral axis and the compression and the tension zone of this beam. All right, so we'll be using our stress distribution diagram to explain the concept. All right, so if we bring back if we just cut a small portion of this, so we are going to have small cross section of what is on the board here, and this will be the stress distribution diagram. Is that clear? So we said the top part of this beam is subjected to what? Comprehensive stress, while the bottom part is subjected to what? Tensile stresses. Now if you look at this stress distribution diagram, let me put an arrow here. All right, so if you look at this diagram clearly, you are going to observe that from the top to the neutral axis, what happened to the stresses? The stresses is what? Decreasing, right? You can see the stress here is greater than the stress here. The stress here is greater than the one here. The one here is greater than this. The one here is greater than this. So from the top layer of this beam to down to the what? The neutral axis, the stress is what? The stress is decreasing. Is that clear? All right, so now from the neutral axis now down to the bottom part, the stress is what? Increasing. Is that clear? So you need to note that in our stress distribution diagram, that from the compression region down towards the neutral axis, there is an increase, sorry, there is a decrease in stress as we move down the depth, and from the neutral axis down to the bottom, as we move along the depth, there is an increase in what? In stresses. Is that clear? So that is just what you need to know. And now reverse is the case for our what? Cantilever beam. This is a cantilever beam that is also subjected to, that is carrying a uniform distributed load. When it is subjected to some load, is going to deform in this manner. Do you understand? And you are going to observe that the top part will bend more than what? We undergo more deformation than the bottom part. So it shows that the top part is will undergo tensile stresses, while tensile stresses, while the bottom part will undergo compressive stresses, the inverse of what we have here. Is that clear? That is why I'm bringing the two picture together, so that when you are writing your exam, you have the clear picture of everything in your head. You don't need to cram. Is that clear? All right, and this is our stress distribution diagram. By the time we cut small portion of this, we are going to have the cross section, and we are going to have the stress distribution diagram. And again, from the top region, from the tension region down to the neutral axis, you are going to see that the stress is decreasing. Do you understand? While from the neutral axis down to the what? Down to the bottom part, the stress was increases. So this is the concept of neutral axis, compression and tension zone that you need to take note when it comes to simple supported cement concrete beam and cantilever cement concrete beam. I hope this concept is well simplified. You can comment that in the comment section. And peradventure, today is your first time coming across our content, do well to smash on the notification bell, so that anytime we upload a video like this, you will be the first to receive the notification. And do well to share this content with your friends who might be in need of them in need of it in other institutions. And don't forget that we have a well structured handwritten material for you on reinforced cement concrete. Do you understand? This material comprises of almost all the possible questions that you are going to come across in your exam under reinforced cement concrete beam. Please do well to place order on this material so I can send yours across to you. Is that clear? And how can you send us a message? It's either you send us message via our WhatsApp or via our email. And if you go to our description, you are going to have access to all any of these platform. Do you understand? So that is it. And again, do well to share our content. Exactly. We'll see you on the next. So we'll be dealing with, we are going to be solving a lot of questions for you on this reinforced cement concrete. Still sit back and always await our video. Exactly. Thank you.